Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item called the Gopher 2. Now, this is a item that you use to help pick up items. If you drop something, it's great for home, yard, office, car, boat, RV, and more. What it's designed to do, as you can see here, like to help you reach for products, help if you're elderly, if you can't bend over, things like that. Nearly 3 feet, it says here, of reach, which is really nice. It's got a lock. It's foldable, easy to use, easy to store. So I just want to make a quick video and just show you a little bit about this Gopher 2. I want to show you what it looks like. And here it is right here. Now, I did purchase this myself. The company did not send me this, just to be clear and transparent, just to be fair. But we did break one and we wanted to get another one. And we need this sometimes to reach things that you can't reach in your house, which is really important. So I'm going to open this up and show you how this works and just give you some of the features and benefits about this item. Okay, so I have it here. I want to show you too. So this is how it comes. It's folded and it's nice, so it's easy to store. What's cool about this design, it actually opens up. You can see here how it opens up nice and long. Now, when you open it up all the way, what you want to do is important, make sure you lock it. There's a button right here to lock it. Let me just show you that right there. Hear that snap? That's how you lock it. That way it won't fold on you. Make sure you lock that. That's really important. If you want to fold it or put it away, you fold it back, snap it back, and it folds, and you put it away like that. You can see how that works. So easy to do. So let's open it back up. Let's lock it in place. So how it works. You have a trigger here. This trigger opens and closes the little plunger here. And at the end of this plunger, it has like little suction cups. That helps grab little small things, little items that are up high. And you can see when I squeeze it, it actually locks it and grabs it. So you can have something in your hand up high. Maybe you dropped a sock. You want to go pick that right up. You can pick up a sock. So you can see it has a lot of flexibility, made out of metal and plastic. Now, what's cool about this one I like a lot, it has a lock here. Now, this has a lock, which is unusual. Some of them don't. This one does. I like that a lot. So what this does, once you squeeze it, you want to lock it. That way you don't have to hold it. Look at it. Automatically keeps it closed without touching the trigger. That is really cool. I like that a lot. I think it's a great idea. I think this is a fantastic item. And when you want to release it, you just let it go. Boom, there you go. And just like that. Again, you want to lock it down. You're good to go. Open it up. Just like that. When you're done with it, hit the button, fold it, put it away. Make sure you hit that button in like this, like that. Fold it away, and you're good to go. So I hope it brought you some value. Don't forget to follow the channel. And I definitely highly recommend something like this if you're looking to pick up things that you can't, either you can't bend over or you can't reach. This is definitely a must go to. Definitely love it. Definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, follow along for more. Thanks for watching.